Nanda got her car back with a new clutch plate after 2 days of being paralyzed. We were back on the road again. In less than 24 hours, there was another breakdown. There was a cranky sound and the car was stuck, refusing to budge. After a few calls, Nitin arranged the rescue van. And guess what? The knight in shining armour arrived.
What had you for dinner, Lord Ronald, my son?
Sounds a strong woman behind that. Just scribble in there anywhere, that's you. Right guys, he's
And so he brought us to Krathi Motors, the recommended automobile hospital.
But I need to try and get a drive shaft. A drive shaft, a lot of money.
Oh my god.
Right, now, that's broke.
Okay.
Now what caused this?
Yeah.
It's a manufacturing, well, it's not a manufacturing fault. This goes in here.
John helped to buy the drive shaft online and subsequently fixed it.
I'm not a fashion now, my fashion's long gone.
It's hard work.
I'm too old to do it now. 44 years I've been doing this. Fixing cars.
I've been with John for 30 years since I left school. Yep, long time. I wouldn't even turn around and say it. I wouldn't turn around and say it's a passion. Because it's hard work, and especially in the winter months, it's really, really hard work. When it's cold, it's really cold. It gets cold, but
Great satisfaction when somebody else can't fix something and you fix it.
Yeah.
Correct.
Or if somebody tells you it's going to cost that and you fix it.
Yeah.
See you, John. Bye.
And Nanda drives off into the sunset, happily ever after.